The great thing about skills in business analytics is that they are desired across industries.
We need to empower our graduates to have the skills to hit the ground running, to work alongside the ever-evolving AI tools, not to be behind them.
AI is taking over, and there's a lot we can do with it. All the knowledge I've learned so far, it's helped me when I'm talking to my managers about different ways to streamline the processes of our pipeline.
Some of the different things that I've learned in this program, in particular artificial intelligence, has really helped me in my current job.
Villanova teaches us how to use AI responsibly and ethically.
The professors here have just been super helpful, and they've gone above and beyond.
The leeway that the program offers, it being online and a lot of the lessons being at your own pace, has definitely given me the freedom to engage in the program.